Hello everyone. So today we will be doing Leetcode problem 108, which is converting a sorted array to a binary search tree. So we are given an integer array nums where the elements are in sorted ascending order, and we have to convert it to a height balanced binary search tree. So a height balanced binary tree is basically where the depth of the two subtrees, that is left and right subtrees of every node, should never differ by more than one. Now we have got two examples here also, and so we have to convert it into a height balanced binary search tree. Let us understand this problem statement more and also write the algorithm and then come back here and do the code. In this, we will be converting a sorted array to a height balanced BST. Now, what is a binary search tree? A binary search tree is the one whose left node's value should be smaller than the root value, and its right node's value should be greater than the root value. So now in this example, this can also be a binary search tree 0, 5, 9, but this is not a height balanced binary search tree because a height balanced binary search tree is the one whose depth of the two subtrees should never differ by more than one. And here you can see a right subtree depth is somewhere around 4, but we have got nothing in our left subtree. So for that, what should be our approach? So what do we need to do first is, to make it height balanced, we need to find the mid of that array so that we will be getting the same number as it is already sorted. That means we know that this side when we go this side, we will be having values uh, which are greater than the values from this side. So these can be a left and these can be a right. So if we partition it from the mid, what will happen is we will be getting the same number of elements on the right and same number of elements on the left. So now let's try to write the logic to convert our sorted array to binary search tree. So first, what we will do is we will get our mid, so which would be length of nums by 2. Now we will assign that to a root. Now tree node, and that will be our mid value. Now we need to assign our left and right subtrees. So what would happen is, we would call the function itself, which is sorted array. We would recurse it bst, and how we would recurse it? We should be doing nums and what would be root dot left. So the left would be till this, so till mid. So this would be till mid. Now what would be our root dot right? It should be after our mid. So sorted array to bst. So this should be after our mid. So this would be mid plus 1 till the end. So now let's let's dry run this. So first we will be having 0. First we will be having 0. Now our mid would be 0. So our root would be 0. Then we have got two calls to do here. So for the left subtree and the right subtree, so here it would be minus 10 minus 3. Now this is 5 and 9. Now for this left one, our mid is minus 3, because it would be length of the nums divided by 2. So our root now will be -3. So we have got -3 as root here. Now for our right, as we have already passed, like this function call would be made. So the mid value which would come is 9 and our root would be 9. Now this would make two calls. So even before this is executed, even before this will be executed, we will be executing this one. So in this call, what would happen? That we would just get -10, because still mid we will be having just -10. So we'll get a -10 here. Now we have got null here. So this will be our mid value. This will be our root value. So in our root, we had 0. Then we had -3. Then we had 9. Now we are having -10. Now we are having a null in the right subtree. Now our this 9 will be making two calls. One will be for left, one will be for right. So for the left it has got 5. For the right it has got for the right it has got nothing but null. So now this would be the mid value and this would be the root value. Like in this call, what would happen is we got this as our mid. So this one is done. But the calls have already been made. So for its right left subtree we are getting a 5. So now we will add a 5 here and we are getting our root. Now we will be returning the root. Now let's head over to Leetcode and code this and run it. So let's start. So first we will check if we have our nums array. If not, we will return none. Then let's do mid. So mid would be our length of nums array divided by 2. Then we will have our root node. Let's create our root node, which would be our mid of the nums array. Now for our left subtree, we will call it recursively sorted array. We have to do self dot sorted array to bst. So here we will be calling nums. So for left it will be till mid, from the beginning position till mid, and for the right we would be recursing it from mid plus 1 position till the very end. In the end we will be returning our root. So let's run this and see if we have got any errors. Yeah, so our test cases are accepted. Let's submit it. Yeah, so this will be our sorted array. So this is how we convert our sorted array to a binary search tree. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.